Let's start this video off right with a big fuck you to the Balloonsville team that rugged the Solana ecosystem. And I've got a couple of things to address as well in this intro, so I'm very sorry for the different mood. I spent $1 on this balloon to show my hatred, so... Shit, that was freaking loud. But yeah, I mean, these accusations are crazy, and I just want to start off by saying I had no affiliation, no sponsorship, no paid brand deals, and no insider job with the Balloonsville team. Alright, let's go get some coffee. Hey there, can I make an order for pickup, please?
It's gonna be 2113, ready about 10-15 minutes.
Alright, cool, thank you. $22, bro? So I had more to the intro, the vlog styled stuff, and I forgot to click record on the camera multiple times. So that sucks. But seriously, thank you for all the continued support through these times on the channel. I love you guys so much. All the words, all the comments, all the nice things that have been said the past 24 hours means the world to me, so thank you. On top of that, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do in these videos should not be taken as financial advice. Yes, I need a haircut. Stop telling me. I'm gonna do it soon. NFTs, crypto, it's all risky. Things can go south, things can go north. It's realistically, it's up to you to decide what you want to do with your own funds, how you want to enter into a project, and your risk and reward factor needs to be set up beforehand. But okay, enough of that. Let's hop into some actual dope looking projects upcoming in February and give you guys my little intake and insight, and I want to give a little bit of rundown. So welcome back to the channel. I love you guys. Thanks for 11.6k subs, and let's fucking go. Starting off strong, we have the Solana Hills NFT project coming to the Solana blockchain. This is going to be a collection size of 5,555, so a little bit in that mid-range of size, with Gen 0 residents split into 5 different types of actual residents, being dragons, penguins, apes, monkeys, and birds. Owning one of these NFTs is going to get you access into their Solana Hills Country Club, which is basically their DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. Some other perks behind holding one of these NFTs is going to be future airdrops to collections, participate in their DAO funded games, access to play to earn games, and at a further point down the road, you're going to get access to housing units, which can be used for staking, and you can earn the Hills token. On top of that, with a deeper look at the roadmap on their Discord, we get a little bit of more information behind what the project has to offer, such as their DAO with a treasury of 500 Solana and a set-aside percentage of royalties from the market. With the Hills token, you'll be able to stake your NFTs and yield the Hills token, which will have a valuable role in the actual game's utility and take place in their breeding. On top of that, with the 5 different types of Gen 0 residents, you'll also be giving out housing, which will also yield different percentages of the Hills token. And then further down the line, when the housing has been constructed, residents will be able to start building a family and breeding for those babies using the Hills token. So we do get quite a bit of use case behind the actual Hills token tokenomics, breeding, staking, bringing art galleries, and metaverse integration. Plus, I think with the current value of the actual community, with over 10,000 members in their Discord and 5,000 members on the Twitter, the DAO and the community behind this project is what's going to build it up, and it seems very strong at the moment. So with the Solana Hills project, I see a very beautiful team. I see a lot of effort behind the artwork and overall roadmap and promises down the line, and just the artwork alone makes me get a little excited. But with that being said, the Solana Hills team is hosting a 5 whitelist spot giveaway for my community, so go leave a comment down below saying something cool about the project. Put the name Solana Hills somewhere in the comments so I know who to pick. Yeah, I'll be handing those out as well. Not affiliated, not sponsored, not paid. So yeah, do your own research on the project. If you win one of these, it doesn't mean you have to mint it, but if you want to, it's up to you. The Yaku Corp NFT project is breaking into the cyberpunk metaverse style of things over on the Solana blockchain. This is going to be a 3-part mint of metaverse utility NFTs, such as the motorbikes, the actual avatars that you can use, play around, walk with, and be, and the capsules. We do get a little bit of a sneak peek of what the capsule will look like, which is going to be your home in the metaverse where you can display NFTs, display your art, display your overall motorbikes through their actual game, and have a nice little hangout spot on the map. The actual motorbikes behind this project will be your racing tools for their NFT game. That will be the first mint of the collection. What's cool about this is they kind of sneak peek on how you can actually build up your racing team and use other NFTs around this system as well. On top of that, we do hop into the artwork behind the actual playable avatars and models, which these little sneak peeks, they look pretty sick. So not only can it be like a profile picture with their face, but it is going to be a fully high-end 3D avatar that is fully playable with a plug-and-play gaming capability. They're claiming to have some sort of cross-chain usability on these things, as you can use them in every single metaverse. There's also going to be 3 different styles of avatars, being the human, the Shinigami, and the robots. So the roadmap is going to give us a little bit of that summary and overall breakdown in a more simple way, with Q1 being the rise of the Yaku verse. This is going to be the minting of the motorcycles, which are playable in the metaverse and the play to earn game, the mint of the capsule pods in the Yaku Tower, which are basically going to be like your land in their metaverse, and then the minting of the avatars of the Yaku X. Walk around, represent as your avatar, be your own boss, and host your own tower and events in the metaverse. They're going to be launching full community access and allowing people to buy their own land and their own DAO building, launching of the Metaverse shop, the Yaku store for clothing, shoes, accessories for your 3D avatars and bikes, and then introducing the downtown casino with High Roller Hippo Click. You already know I love the High Roller Hippos. I've been a huge fan of the project since day one, and to see the casino integrated with Yaku is pretty freaking huge. During Q3, this is when the development of the play-to-earn game and the Yaku token will be launched with the tokenomic system behind it and a kind of open world aspect of discovering the downtown portion of the Yakuverse. So again, when it comes down to a project like this with a bunch of different attributes and overall utility in a metaverse scene of things, I think it has a huge potential for the future, especially with their deep dive of the roadmap. And overall, even on random tweets of just words, their engagement is very good. You get sneak peeks of their development and how they're actually handling things on their metaverse and play-to-earn game side of things. We do get some 3D model views as well of avatars, and the overall motorbikes and engineering behind this look very sick. The land blueprints behind their downtown or the Yakuverse does look very cool as well, as they are building this thing, and the actual render model at the moment looks very fulfilling, and I think there's a lot to actually be behind the works of this project. But with a 3-part mint and an overall series of things to come behind the project, play-to-earn gaming, metaverse integration, overall downtown area to explore with your avatars that are fully playable, I think it could be a huge hit. Play-to-earn games have a huge role in the Solana ecosystem and overall NFT ecosystem, as well as you can buy an NFT, get access to a game, get access to further utility, and play a game while earning real-world funds. That's why I want to dive into Everseed a little bit more in today's video. This is actually a project that is backed by a bunch of industry veterans of Riot Games. Riot Games, you know, they have Valorant, they have League of Legends, they have some sort of like team tactic game where you send out dudes and you put them together and they fight. They're a huge company valued at a lot of money. And they're coming over to the NFT space and making a game called Everseed. This is going to be a farm to tabletop MMO. Before we dive any further, I've got to let you all know about FTX. FTX is the leading cryptocurrency exchange in the entire industry that offers a wide variety range of cryptocurrency coins and NFTs on the Ethereum and Solana marketplace with no gas fees. FTX also offers a no ACH fee, no minimum transaction fees, and no withdrawal fees on your funds as well. With the link down below, you can sign up in a very quick way, explore an entire wide variety marketplace, and support me with your first transaction. With the lowest and most competitive transaction fees over any other platform, FTX is your one-stop shop for all cryptocurrency and NFT needs. With a fully developed and very accessible mobile app as well, you can do all your crypto trading, NFT trading, marketplace stocking, and crypto endeavors all from the comfort of your phone. Again, I want to give a huge thank you to the FTX team for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to support me in the channel, the links are going to be down below. Save 5%, and you can also earn a crypto coin with every $10 that you trade on the marketplace. Thank you, FTX. I love you. Let's hop back into the video. Let's go. Your boy loves MMOs. I've played World of Warcraft, RuneScape, Elder Scrolls. I've played all those my entire life. Behind this project is going to be a gathering resources sort of mechanic where you can gather seedlings to help grow and produce other resources in the world of Everseed. With a couple other sneak peeks here, we have exploring the wilds with the Everseed. I believe an avatar with some sort of companion, so you can either gather these companions through the game or some sort of NFT. There's going to be ways of forging other magical wonders and gathering resources and using these to grow up your community. You'll be able to go ahead and defend your actual yield, which will be what's earning you from the play-to-earn game. And on top of that, you'll be able to harvest all the rewards and then turn them into some sort of real-world currency or some sort of utility coin behind the project. And of course, with this being an MMO, it is going to be online, and you'll be able to farm and do all this stuff with your friends. I think there's a lot of effort behind this website and overall the project itself. We have a fucking Doge twerking or some shit. I don't really understand the marketing strategy behind this, but we get a cool little sneak peek. We do have 5 types of companions here that are going to be sneak peeked as well. They're all mystery. We don't know what they are, but it seems they could be some sort of different type of some Pokemon-ish kind of thing. As it states here, we'll be able to play for keeps and play for impact, as these tradable goods in the Everseed's farmers market will actually be carefully sourced for maximum longevity and sustainability, kind of working as some sort of tokenomic or resource in the game that will have a future behind it. This is a rather early project. I wanted to throw it in there for right now because I'm a huge fan of MMOs, as their roadmap is not even set up yet. We just get a couple of sneak peeks of what to come. I'd love to throw them back into a future video when enough information is released. But I think with a huge game development behind it, like Blizzard and Riot Games, backing the development side of things, I think this company has a huge role, and I think the words behind what they say will have a lot of impact, and they will deliver on what they're producing. So it's really sick to see an actual MMO come to the NFT side of things with all sorts of upgradability, resource gathering, overall farm yielding, play to earn gaming, companions, and they're promising the actual holders of this project have a voice and a vote and opinions behind the actual community, earn exclusive rewards for activity and cooperation, build, create together, and grow with friends old and new. And we do get a ton of sneak peeks on their actual Twitter with a bunch of cool animated artwork, some comic book style, that more animations theme. We get sneak peeks at the avatars, the companions, overall what we're going to be expecting to see in this project, and I'm very stoked to see the future of Everseed and how this game could turn out. And we get a couple of memes and gifs here. So this is a very early project. Do your own research on it. I think it's going to be sick in the future. I'm waiting for more of it. But overall, having Blizzard and Riot game developers backing this new studio creating an NFT game could be pretty revolutionary in the space. Thank you guys so much for the support on today's video. If you guys watched through all the way, let me know down below. Also go comment something about Solana Hills to enter the 5 whitelist giveaway. And again, seriously, thank you for all the continued support on the channel. We're so close to 12,000 subscribers, so holy shit, thanks a lot. And if you have any suggestions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. Hop in the Discord. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you on the next stream or video. Goodbye.